All right, pause whatever you're doing for a second. Because this thing looks like it's breaking the rules. This is Hyundai's MobED robot. And the first time you see it move, your brain does that little glitch where it goes, wait, that's not how wheels are supposed to work. At first glance, it looks simple. A box, 4 wheels. Cute. Almost toy-like. And then it starts moving. Not bouncing, not wobbling, not struggling. It just floats across rough ground like the surface doesn't matter. That's where the magic comes in. Hyundai calls it Eccentric Control. Translation? Every wheel thinks for itself. Each wheel can move up, down, tilt, adjust independently. So when one side hits a bump, the rest of the robot doesn't freak out. It calmly reshapes its stance in real time, like it's constantly correcting its balance mid-step. That's why people keep saying it looks like it's cheating physics. And here's the wild part. This isn't just a concept video anymore. Hyundai showed the production version. Not someday. Not maybe. This thing is actually real. MobED uses cameras and LiDAR to understand where it is, what's around it, and what it's about to roll over. The Pro version even adds GNSS, radar, and a depth camera. So indoors, outdoors, tight spaces, open areas, it doesn't really care. Now let's talk purpose, because this is where MobED gets dangerous. In a good way. Hyundai isn't locking this robot into one job. This platform is designed to be anything. Last mile delivery robot? Yep. Industrial logistics mule? Absolutely. Camera dolly for filmmakers? People in the comments already figured that one out. Security patrol bot? Also very possible. It's basically a robotic skateboard with a brain and trust issues about falling over. 2 versions exist. MobED Basic, which you control remotely. MobED Pro, which drives itself. Both run on a 1.47 kilowatt-hour battery, good for around 4 hours, and it recharges surprisingly fast, about 2.5 hours. And yes, before you ask, people did ask if they can ride it to work. The internet also did what the internet always does. Some people are impressed. Some say it's adorable. Some say, nice CGI. Others are yelling, but can it do stairs? Fair questions. But here's the real takeaway. MobED isn't trying to replace cars. It's not trying to be a humanoid robot either. It's trying to solve movement itself, how machines move when the world isn't flat, smooth, or predictable. And honestly, that's a much bigger deal than it looks. Because when robots stop caring about terrain, that's when mobility really changes. So now I want to hear from you. Would you use MobED as a delivery bot, a camera rig, or, yeah, a ride? Drop your thoughts below. And if you want more real-world robots that look fake until they move, you know what to do.